On top Inside Edo today, investors commit 100 billion naira into Edo oil palm sector as Obaseki don assure business-friendly policies. Allocate 45,000 hectares for oil palm cultivation. Target 200,000 new jobs from investment. Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki don sign Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) worth nearly 100 billion naira with 7 oil palm investors under the Edo State Oil Palm Program (ESOPP) Investors Group so that make them boost oil palm production and rejuvenate the sector for global competition. Other top government officials wey pull hand for this agreement for Government House na the Secretary to the State Government Osarodion Oge Esquire, Edo State Solicitor General Oluwole Iyamu SAN, among others. Obaseki reassured the people, say in government go sustain reforms and policies to make sure say better environment dey for businesses to thrive. He come also thank the investors for their interest when them get for the state, as they once signed 45,000 hectares of land to about 7 companies for the purpose of cultivation of oil palm, wey go make Edo one of the largest, if not the largest oil producing state for Nigeria.
Hopefully make Edo State one of the largest, if not the largest, oil palm producing states in Nigeria. Like I said, this is the first phase. There is a second phase which we hope will be concluded this year, which will be for about the same size of land, if not slightly more.
Before now, the Pro-Tem Chairman ESOPP Investors Group Rashid Sarumi congratulate the governor for his vision to make the state better investment destination and the nucleus of oil palm for Nigeria.
Congratulate the executive governor for delivering on an important milestone in his vision of ensuring that Edo State remains the nucleus of oil palm production in Nigeria, not only producing the oil palm, processing such that other allied industries could leverage that and deliver the needed dividend to the people in terms of not only jobs, economic empowerment, as well as taxes to government, but more importantly, to get the communities to participate in the modern agriculture that the investors will bring so as to enhance their yield, income, and livelihoods.
Some of the investors include Agro Allied Resources Limited, Agri Palm Limited, Santu Farms Limited, Saro Oil Palm, Faros Nigeria Limited, and Farm Frontier Agro Allied Limited. This one na the ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una on top Inside Edo today, as investors commit 100 billion naira into Edo oil palm sector as Obaseki don assure business-friendly policies. My name na Chidima Anichukwu.